You may get frustrated assuming there is absolutely no backup available. Well, faced with iPhone reset, photos lost, no backup, what can we do about it? Okay, watch on for what you desire. Part 1. Can you restore photos after factory reset iPhone? Factory reset on iOS can cause significant data loss, including photos. Retrieving lost pictures after a reset used to require a prior backup. However, with modern technology, third-party software now enables photo recovery on iPhone. Part 2. Recover photos after factory reset iPhone without backup. Do you know how to retrieve or get back photos after a factory reset? If you don't have a backup of your iPhone in advance, well, iPhone Data Recovery is an exact program you can't miss. How to recover iPhone photos after restore without backup via iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Preview the lost iPhone pictures. Step 3. Recover iPhone photos after factory reset without backup. Part 3. Backup iPhone photos before factory reset iPhone. 1. Backup iPhone photos to computer with dedicated software. Mobikin Assistant for iOS surpasses traditional backup tools like iTunes or iCloud, standing out as a commendable choice for professional iPhone backup and management. 2. Backup iPhone pictures to iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. Establish trust between the iOS device and the computer. Launch iTunes, and once your device is recognized, click on the device icon. Navigate to Summary and select Backup Now. 3. Backup iPhone photos to iCloud. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Go to your iPhone settings, your name iCloud. Toggle on iCloud Backup, tap Backup Now. After a while, check the date and time below Backup Now to see if the backup is over.